What's up, Learn Machines? Welcome to this video. Today I made over $9,000 today. Let's go! Wanted to give some motivation to you guys. Mindset's everything. Never give up. Always keep fighting. Seriously, like, your dreams can come true. Thing is, I made passive income today from multiple income streams. If you want to learn how to make money online, like, I teach everything I'm doing to make money online and everything I've learned, and tons of more methods that you can do to make money now online. And I share inside the Money Accelerator all these different freaking income streams of how you can freaking crush it online, make a lot of money online. And I wish I had more time in my life to do all these methods, but I share all these methods inside. Imagine making $9,000 randomly in a day from all the income streams you built up over time, and just recurring income streams like recurring billing happening, AdSense revenue also, CPA offers and affiliate marketing, commissions, all these ways of making money. If you want to freaking crush it in life, make a lot of money, I'm your guy. I will teach you how to do it. It's a great income stream for me to teach you guys how to do it, but also I really have so much value there. It's crazy. Inside the Money Accelerator, it's like a bundle of thousands and thousands of dollars worth of stuff inside of there. So tons of courses, tons of training that you can get inside. So go freaking crush it. Go do it. Oh! I'm sure Hasbulla would recommend it to you. Hasbulla. If you want to make a lot of money online, the Money Accelerator is the place to go. Go check it out. Click the link. Go buy right now. If you're procrastinating, that will not make you money. You got to invest in yourself to make a lot of money online. So there you go. And peace out, Learn Machines. Peace.